My name is Tonui Kiprotich and I'm a sourcing engineer here at Rome. Rome was built in Kenya for Kenyans, and it was built out of the current local bikes that are available, the ICE bikes. Rome has focused on localization of most of the components, and we have localized 36% by value of the Rome Air. These components are categorized into three categories. One is the plastic and the fiber components, which include the space tank, cowling, and helmets. The second category is the piped components, which include the torque rod, the center stand, and the side stand. On the last category is the sheet metal components, which include the battery compartment, electronic box, and the chain cards. This collaboration has really helped to create more jobs in the local market, not forgetting that Kenya has the capacity to produce these components. Secondly, the cash flow on our side will be eased. Most of these local companies, they normally give us the credit terms, which are favorable to our market, as we sell the bikes and then we pay back for what we invested for these components. On the third one, it puts our country as an industrial hub. Most of the local assemblers are now focusing on manufacturing these components in the local market because we are showing them the way of how to do the localization of most of these components. Finally, these are clear testimony that Rome Air was designed and manufactured for the African terrain and all other conditions. We take pride in producing a product that reflects African strength. Made by Africans for Africa.